हेलो गाइस, तो कैसे हो आप सब। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो you how can you set up your settings for your TP link extender, right? So for that, first we need to reset our device. Okay, a pinpoint is available on the device, so you just have to press that with a pin for 3 seconds. The LED lights will blink. That will signify that it has been resetted, right? After that, just come over your system, turn on the Wi-Fi and check if you are able to find the extender, right? So here is my extender, it's showing. Alright, so since it's already connected, so I have to set up it first. Since you can see that there is no internet, that is obvious because the extender has not been connected with any source Wi-Fi, right? So I have to set up it. So I'll log in on the web page of the extender. So first I have to get the IP. So I'll go into the network setting of the Wi-Fi extender, and here the IP is this. Alright, so just open your Chrome browser or whatever the browser you're using. Type exactly the same IP and hit enter. So if you are visiting on the web page for the first time after reset, it will ask you to create a new password. Alright, so just type a new password as per the specified instructions. And click on login. So the password has been created for the web page security. Alright, so here you will get the options and the list of all Wi-Fi networks which is available in the range. Alright, so you can select anyone in your network. Alright, so I'll be selecting this network to connect with my extender. I want to extend this network. Alright, so I have to click on the Wi-Fi name, SSID name. After that, it will ask me the Wi-Fi password for that. Okay, so I'll enter the password. Click on next. Click on confirm, and here it will ask you to rename or you want to keep it as it is, the SSID name for your extender. So I'll keep it as it is, whatever is recommended, and click on next. So the operation is succeeded. So now our extender has been connected to the main source Wi-Fi. Alright, so just click on done. After that, it will ask you that whether you are connected to the extended network or the main. So here currently I am connected with the main network, right? So first I have to connect with the extended network. So here is our extended network SSID. Just enter the same password which you have fed in the web page for the extended network. Alright, so now I'm connected with the extended network. So visit on your web page, click over, check this box and click on finish. It will just restart the device and then you are good to go.